Okay, guys, one Web 2.0 tool that I explored was quizzes. And this is a very interesting website. It's free, but basically you go, you log in, you join or whatever, and you can search anything that you want to find a quiz on. And so internet safety is something that we looked at in this module, and so I decided to look at internet safety. So all of these are available. You can click on one and it'll kind of tell you what grade band it's good for. And so this one is kindergarten through university grade, but basically it has 20 questions. You can see the questions, which is not an example of cyberbullying. Taking a nude photo of someone on a mobile device. This might be not great for kindergarten kids. Definitely need to, preview your content before. So you can play a game with your kids if you wanted to, your students, and they would have a mobile device, and so you could say host game. They could join in by using this code, and that's one way you could practice. Another way is you can just assign a practice session. And you can also assign homework, which I think is really neat, so that the kids should have the quiz completed by a certain date and time. It'll tell you how many times they're allowed to take it, and anyways, there's just so many components to this web tool. You can also create your own quiz if you don't find one that is already pre-made that you want to use with your students. It will generate data for you. So I haven't done a game or assigned a quiz to any of my students, but once I do that, you can look at reports and data and see what they're missing. I feel like this is just a great quick way to assess where your students are on certain content and lessons that you have taught. Really quick, really easy, really fast results. I will be using it with my students a lot in the future.